Right, we're going to go a little bit further. Let me brake off. Power 3, gear 2. Thumb to get moving. And let's go up this path. They've not long since cleared this. All the edges on the right side was stuck out, so they've cleared the path and it's a lot better now. There's quite a few want doing like this. The only problem is you could get a lot of thorns on here. I've got some thorns stuck on it. Look at that. They're stuck in it. Get my wheel straight. And have a look. And thorns again, stuck. You can see it there, look. That one's stuck in. I'll have to see if I can pull them out. That's the trouble with them bush things going down them types of road. Can't get it out. Could do with some pliers. Come on out, you bugger. No. Got a flat tyre when I went out today, but to get the back wheel off, has to be the back wheel, you have to take the this off, the disc brake off there, because the wheel is attached, the disc brake is attached to the wheel and this is attached to it. But to remove this you can't get in, so I've had to take all the back basket off to get to these, and I'm hoping that when they are off that I can lift this out, slide the wheel off. But when you, with the disc brake, you have to put this inside to prevent the pads from closing. So let's hope it goes all right. So I've removed the pads off there, so I should now be able to remove the wheel. Yep, wheel off. So now I can see about what the inner tube is like. Okay, so hopefully now puncture repaired. Then put the wheel on. Looks like there's a locking mechanism there or something. And then you then have to put the brake pads on here when you've got the wheel on. Then we can put the basket back on. When you put the wheel back on, just here is a little square area, square lug, and that has to go on the bottom just there. Look, there's a square, so you've got to line it up with that. So now I've got to get the brake calipers with the pads. I've got this inside it to stop it from closing. and line it up on the silver disc, and also on the where the bolts are. So these are tightened up and it's on the disc. So now washer and a nut, tighten that. That means the wheel is on. So then get your basket, and then you've got 4 bolts on your basket. Mud guards are attached, they're still attached to it, so hopefully that will just slot straight on. Invest in some slime, but at least it was, I've had a go at it, and I know the hardest part was getting the tyre off and on. I need some better tyre levers.